Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Zippo hazardous, and this is a very cool lighter. The original price was $24.95, if you can see that. Here's the Zippo itself, just in a box. On the inside it says, look for our new butane lighter, the Zippo Blue. And here's the lighter itself. It's just black on the back, the Zippo imprint thing on the bottom. This thing was made in February 2011, I would think, because it says B11. It says Zippo B11, Bradford, Pennsylvania, PA, made in USA. This is the Zippo. See, that's where it says all that stuff. It's brass. They just painted it. Now, why I really like this is because it has the hazardous sign and it has blood, like someone got shot and the blood spattered all over it. I got it from eBay, and whenever you first get a Zippo, it comes with the flint, but it does not come with the fluid. Before people say it's fake, you can always tell when a Zippo is real whenever you first open it. Here's the inside. Keep away from children, blah, 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 blah. And it says, for best results, use Zippo brand fluid. Down there, that's where you put the fluid in. You like lift that up. Can't do it with one hand. Right here. And I got it a few days ago, and I did have fluid in here, but I used it all. Lighting things, which I will not say. A blunt. Just kidding. And this is it. Really good lighter.